Hey there, today I have these Koraidon Miraidon tins. Very cool, looking forward to opening them. They say they've got 4 boosters each. I'm assuming it's a Scarlet and Violet base set, but I'm not even sure. So let's take a look. Alright, so I've got the shrink wrap off there and we're going to get stuck straight into these. Let's have a look. Alright, so there's our Koraidon EX promo. Let me just take that whole segment out, I reckon. Oh, look, it's some Paldea Evolved. There you go, I wasn't even sure. So we've got Paldea Evolved, Scarlet and Violet. Oh, and a Silver Tempest. Very cool. Alright. Close that up. It's nice to have a bit of a mix. Okay, and probably much the same in this one here. So there's our Miraidon EX. We have 2 Paldea Evolved, a Scarlet and Violet, and a Silver Tempest. Sweet. Alright, so what do we do? You know what? I've never opened any Silver Tempest packs yet, so let's get stuck into them. Okay, so we're at that issue again where we're probably going to be 3 off the back. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 off the back. And, yep, so there's our energy. Alright, cool. So fire energy. Venomoth. Wallace. Lantern. Stunfisk. Vulpix. Snowrunt. Fletchling. Ferroseed. Oh, look at that! Milotic. Wallace in the background there. That's a beautiful trainer gallery. Oh, sweet. Starting strong. Incineroar. Can't complain about that. Woo! 1, 2, 3 off the top to the front. We have our electric energy. Brandon. Altaria. Lance. Fungus. Sandygast. Relicanth. Oh, what's going on here? This card feels really thick. Oh, it's 2 cards that were just stuck together, sorry. So Howlucha, Togedemaru. They just didn't want to come apart. Alright. Fennekin. Kling Clang. Cool, alright, well. My first pack of Silver Tempest was a hit. That is epic. Moving on to some Scarlet and Violet. Fighting Energy. Lechonk. Flabebe. Growlithe. Staravia. Arven. Cacturn. Mezagoza. Potion. Skidoo. Cloth. Alright. Oh, sorry. I'm spoiling that for you. So let's get our energy off the top. That's Metal Energy. Sandile. Mareep. Silicobra. Bisharp. Jack. Florigato. Experience Share. Mankey. Sprigatito. Palmot. Cool. Alright, now to Paldea Evolved. Darkness Energy. Makuhita, Pinchurchin, Dino, Magikarp, Honchkrow, Calamitous Wasteland, Primeape, Gothorita, Quaxley, Falconer. Nice. Do think I have that Falconer though, but that's okay. Still happy with that one. Fire Energy, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Gothitelle, Octobax, Giacomo, Raichu, Shroodle, Oricorio, Metal Energy, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Seviper, Paldean Taurus, Luxio, Mischievous, Sneasel, Jumpluff. Alright, last pack. Fighting Energy, Wingull, Pineco, Tink, Mankey, Pawmo, Tinktuff, Bravery Charm, Mankey, Paldean Wooper, Baxcalibur. Alright, well that is the Koraidon and Miraidon EX tins that have just come out from the Scarlet and Violet set. Turns out they did have some different boosters in there. So you get some Silver Tempest, you get a single Silver Tempest, one Scarlet and Violet, and 2 Paldea Evolved per tin. Plus you get those awesome Koraidon and Miraidon EX promo cards. You'll also get a TCG Live card that you can redeem for those cards in TCG Live if you are playing that. That's the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.